G'day guys, today we're going bushwalking.
Bushwalking.
Bushwalking. This might be a city slicker activity, but mate, it'll get you the perfect guide and a bit of a know-how to the high country.
I suppose we are actually in the high country, technically, even though we wouldn't call it that.
Nah, this is just like out the back of home.
Yeah, pretty much. I missed a turn off and then Taylor was like, what's this? I'm like, you haven't seen this before. And we live out here, so we'll just go and have a look at this little tunnel. Back in the day when they were mining for gold and stuff, they've blasted, well not, I don't even know, probably just dug a rock cave through, diverted the river and then got all the gold out of the river. So, and now you can just come out here and have a gaze at it. Just out on a little solo mish today. No one's cars are going or ready and everyone's busy, and I gave no one any notice for anything. So Taylor said he'd come. Been stitched up.
Oh, there it is.
This is actually a different one. I didn't know it was this one. As you can see, the river's coming down here and going into the cave there. But then it used to go all through there. I think if you're like a full badass, you can kayak down it.
Oh, I was going to say.
My outdoor ed teacher used to do it, I think. As you can see, the river's come down all the way around, but they've just cut the corner off, so then they can get all the gold and stuff out of the river. Sounds like a lot of effort to me. I'm pretty sure downstream there's another one of these. I think it's even bigger than this one. Nice peaceful way to start the day.
It is, isn't it?
This is the downstream side. It's actually roaring at the moment. This is where the river comes around from the other side, but very impressive looking.
It was like heaps more water than what I thought there would be.
Quite a pleasant way to start what could quite possibly be a very terrible idea. Yeah. Pretty much, you never go forward driving unprepared and by yourself, and we're doing all that, so it's awesome. All right, so we're here out in Reefton at the moment. This is Robinson's fire line. It's actually a lot drier than I thought it was going to be after 40 mil. Yeah. I think because we haven't had any rain, it's just like soaked in so quick. Cars all ready to go, all aired down. Just got the razors today. So they're down to 18 PSI, so nothing crazy. It should be a cruisy day, hopefully. The idea is just to sort of go out, make sure the car, because it's front diff's all brand new in it now. It's all, whole front end's been rebuilt. Engine, haven't even gone full driving with it yet. So haven't been full driving myself for a very long time behind the wheel. Go for a cruisy one and see what happens. So I reckon we get into it. So it was very, very easy. It's basically driving up a dirt road. So from now on, we're just YOLOing it really. We're just gonna drive around, see what we can find. So who knows where we'll end up, but we'll figure that out after. We've done our best to go exploring. Hasn't worked out so far. This is actually probably the widest bit of track we've found. We've been full bar deep, just sort of driving through what used to be a track. Got down the bottom of a hill and now there's trees and stuff everywhere. We don't have a chainsaw, so we've got to drive all the way back out. So scratch the car up for no reason. Yep. So I reckon this hill up here is going to be a bit of a challenge though, to be honest. Yeah, it's pretty loose. It's slippery with just all the tree litter all over it. It's not really. It's like an old road or something, but it's now a motorbike track by the looks of it. So hopefully we get out of here because I got no idea where we are. It is an old track, but it's just super duper overgrown and no one's been down here for ages. And we kind of got to a point where we couldn't turn around, so this is our life at the moment. Yep. we've made it out into Warby now. We've worked our way through the bush all the way back. We're just going up. Me and Taylor do a bit of mountain bike riding out here, so just went up one of the 4-wheel drive tracks next to it just to see if we could shuttle up it. Definitely not. Definitely too rough. So, but then we came around the corner. We're coming here like a fair bit, but there's just this huge giant mine shaft. Like, I don't even want to get too close to it. It's so deep. We're just finding heaps of stuff in our backyard that we didn't even know was here.
In the middle of nowhere.
I know. That's a big ass hole. Real big. This is very scary to stand on. I don't know if this is safe enough to stand on. You can't even see. You can just see the bottom. Yeah, I think we're going to try and find cemetery now, so we'll see how we go. Made it here to cemetery now. Oh, so the rock's not a problem, I don't think. It's all the water's washed all the ruts out. And it's past the rocks very deep. Yeah, and we got small wheels on, which isn't great. And we've also got a time limit, because Darvis has a hot day he's got to be out. Yeah, Taylor's off the market, so sorry ladies. We'll give it a crack and see how we go. Probably have to winch at the rock, or if we make it over the rock, I'm pretty sure about a 99% chance you'll winch after the rock anyway. Muck around for a little bit. If it takes us too long, we're just gonna go up to where we can turn out of the hard stuff and come back down. 33s, see how we go.
Yeah, guard is like on a rock at the minute. Yeah.
Okay. Very wet.
You're just gonna have to slide back off it. Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you'll just run the slider. It's getting a little bit close to the door though. Yeah, you're good. Very tight.
Yeah, it's just about to come up though, I reckon. I reckon it's just about to come up. Front's pretty close. Front wheels there. If they got to at least there, I reckon it would have leveled the thing out and made it. But how's the damage on the rock? That was in there, and the one down there. I don't know. There was started off saying I don't think we'll make it, and then it became a
closer and closer.
we're gonna make it. I didn't want to come around the rock, but just that little bit further would have been mint. Probably for the best though, because you've got to get home. Probably a nice quick short one, but just out having a bit of a play and thought we'd bring these along. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Catch you guys next time.
Cup of coffee on the